Hi, in this video I will show you how to fix Tesla AC not working. So if your air condition on your Tesla car is not working, what we can do is we can just head over and solve the problems that actually happens. So you first need to recognize the cab. Then if your actual cabin is cool, you need to make sure that you keep it. So you need to make sure that you are actually having air vents for proper airflow. You need to make sure that you have regular maintenance of your HVAC system, as well as calibration with temperature sensors that can maintain those temperatures inside your Tesla. So it may be a clogged cabin air filter, low refrigerant levels, software bug or hardware malfunction, sensor malfunction, as well as condenser blockage. So what you can do is you can just restart your car first and then turn it on. The next thing is if it should be able to be fixed. If it's not fixed, you can head over and then go to any nearest Tesla service center.